Welcome back, guys. So right now we would come to our WordPress dashboard, and what we want to do right now is to set the home page apart from the blog settings. So all I have to do is to come to the settings. So I'll show you directly, so you don't need to use your theme. So no matter the theme you use, you could easily set this from your settings. So I'll come to the settings right here. Look at the settings icon right here. So I'm going to come to the settings right now. So I'm going to come to settings, and having to come to settings, I'm going to come to the reading part of the settings. This is the reading part of the settings. So I'm going to come right there. I'm going to click on reading, and here in reading you see something like an home page display. That's what I want to set. So this is an home page display, and right now, so if you see, it's currently in your latest post right here. That's what it's currently in. So I'm going to change it from what it is right now. Is currently in your latest post. I'm going to change to a static page. So let's do that right away. So I changed to a static page, and having to change to a static page, you see that we now have an home page, which is this, and we have a post page, which is this. So right here is where you are going to make the whole change to your website. Currently when you visit your website, let me show you. So let's visit the website directly. It's going to be showing you the post we created, because that's the basic settings we just changed to a static page. So right now you could see this is a post settings, because it was formerly here. That's why we are seeing the test post. It was formerly here, but right now we just changed to this. So right now we'll be able to change to this. So we are going to just perfect this. So right now we're going to change the home page. So let's talk about home page right now. We're just going to we're going to assign a web page to the home page, and the page we're assigning to the home page is home. So we're going to assign home to the home page, yes, and we're going to assign a page. We're going to assign a new page to the post page, which we have in the post page separately. It will not be showing here on the home page of our website. That's what it means right now. So let me set that right away. So I'm going to assign blog to the post page, and that's what I just did. So that's the basic settings of how to differentiate between your home page and blog settings. So all I have to do is to save the changes, and once I have these changes saved, once I have these changes saved, you would see the changes right now. So let me save this, and right now it's going to carry our home page. So when we refresh the website after we've saved these changes, once we refresh the website, what we're going to see is the home page we designed. So let me refresh this right away, and I'm going to just come back to ipsds.com. So let's see what is going to be. So I just have this saved and it hasn't shown yet. So let me just save it again to make sure it's going to show. So let's visit the website ourselves now. So let's say visit website, and it's still showing this. So let me just go to the menu. I've done the settings right here. So coming back here, let me go to appearance to see what is going on there. So come to appearance right here. So you could see appearance from here. So let me come to appearance from here. So I'll come to my appearance right here, and I'll choose my themes. So having to choose appearance, I'll choose my themes right here. So let's do that right away. So I'll choose my themes, and having to choose my themes, I'm going to just use the customize button. As you could see from here, I'm going to use the customize button to customize the theme. Like I said, we're still going to work on the theme just to make the whole theme perfect. So I'm going to come to customize, and having to customize the theme, we'll be able to we'll be able to access these other settings from the theme settings. So right now we have the theme, and currently this is what the home page looks like with what we built, of course. So coming back here, different themes and different settings, because we're using Astra, that's why we're seeing all this. So what I'm looking for is home page settings. So I need to set the home page settings right here. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on home page settings, and right now we have a static page. Everything is all set. Yes, we are good to go. So in the next lesson we're going to talk about menus and all that, but right now we've done this. I hope to see you in the next lesson, where we'll get to continue from here. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.